This gadget is built from grade 5 titanium. That means it's ultralight, rust-proof, and heat-resistant. It's designed to be a no-rules tool for hikers, campers, and backyard explorers. One of the best things about this tool is how it handles fuel. Most stoves force you to carry specific gas canisters, but if you forget your fuel, you're usually out of luck. Not here. This system works with almost anything. You can use gas, solid fuel tablets, or alcohol burners. If you're really in a pinch, you can even just use a few dry twigs from the ground. It adapts to what you have, so you can focus on the view instead of your fuel levels. The design is where things get really interesting. It uses a modular panel system. You get a base panel for boiling water and a grill panel for a classic barbecue feel. There is even a dedicated sear panel. This is a game changer because it lets you cook directly on the metal. You don't even need a pan. You can sear a steak right on the surface for that authentic outdoor flavor. But this gadget does more than just heat food. It's a multi-tool for your campsite. The sear panel actually doubles as a cutting board. You can chop your veggies, cook them, and then use the same surface as a plate. It's a true all-in-one system. It even allows for simultaneous cooking. You can sear meat on the top while roasting potatoes in the space below. One fire, two dishes, zero wasted time. Durability is a huge plus here. Since it's made of titanium, it's completely food-safe and chemical-free. A cool detail is that titanium naturally changes color when it gets hot. Over time, your stove will develop a unique blue and purple patina. It's like a visual record of every trip you've taken. It comes in two sizes, the Mini and the Plus. The Mini is built for the minimalist. It literally fits in your pocket. The Plus is slightly larger, making it a bit more comfortable for longer trips or bigger meals. Both versions are 1.5 millimeters thick, so they won't warp under high heat. Whether you are on a windy mountain or a sandy beach, the extra panels act as a windshield to keep your flames steady. If you want a cooking system that adapts to you, not the other way around, this is it. It's simple, rugged, and incredibly smart. If you enjoyed this look at the future of outdoor cooking, make sure to like this video and share it with your favorite hiking partner. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the best gear. You can find the link to the TiStove in the description below. Thanks for watching.